Dear students, due to some personal work, official work also, I cannot continue my classes. So, I think from next week I can do it, my classes continuously. Okay? Today I start a new chapter. I have finished the matrices also. So I have finished factorization, matrices, banking, linear inequation and trigonometry. And today I will start the quadratic equation. This is one chapter, important chapter in algebra. I written here quadratic equation. And you know, in class 10, in class 9, there was also quadratic equation. But in 9, it was very little. But in 10, it was deeply. Quadratic equation. Before starting this, you have to know what is quadratic equation. To know the quadratic equation, you have to know the quadratic polynomial. If we remind the polynomial a square plus bx plus c, then its degree is 2. Since its degree is 2, degree means highest power of the variable. Degree is 2, therefore we can say that this is a quadratic polynomial. When it is equal to 0 or something, then we can say that this is the quadratic equation. So, the general form of a quadratic equation is a square plus bx plus c equals to 0, comma, a not equal to 0. You have to mention it a not equal to 0, because if you not mention a not equal to 0, then it will be, if when a equal to 0, then it will be linear equation, not a quadratic equation. For that, you have to mention a not equal to 0. Therefore, the general form of a quadratic equation, a square plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a not equal to 0. Now, we have to solve the quadratic equation. To solve the quadratic equation, there are two methods. Number one is factorization method, that you have done in class 9. Now, in class 10, factorization method also, another method, that is formula method. The formula is invented by the great mathematician Pythagoras. Sorry, not Pythagoras, that is Siddharacharya. Siddharacharya's formula. The Siddharacharya's formula is, okay, at first I told to solve this, there is two methods, that is factorization method. Number two is formula method. In your syllabus, two methods are there, but in every year, formula method is used. From formula method, there will be one maths must. This year, in 2020, the first maths was formula method, Siddharacharya's formula. Before starting this, but you have to know where we should use the Siddharacharya formula. Some students don't know where he or she will use the formula method. Okay, let's see. This is the general form. If there is a question, solve this 2x square plus 3x minus 5 equals to 0, then in this case, when it will not be solving without factorization, then you have to use formula method. But that means you have to apply two methods. No. In exam, there will mention maximum time. I just told you a trick. Solve the following equation correct to 2 decimal place, 2 significant figure, 3 decimal place, 3 significant such type of method. Then you are sure that you have to use the formula method. Okay? Then let's start. What is formula method? The general form of the quadratic equation is a square plus bx plus c equals to 0. From this, you have to find the values of x. The formula method, x equals to x square minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac by 2a where A, B, C are the coefficient of x square x and C is the constant term. Okay, and this method can be derived by factorization. You can derive it. X square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So by squaring it, you can get the value of x. Then you can get the value of x equals to this. In book, you will see there is a process how to derive it. But it is not in. You have to know. Just you have to know the formula. Okay. Now, using this formula, how we will solve the quadratic equation. Okay. This is the Sridhar formula. And here you have to know some terms. I written here root under. What written? B square minus 4ac. This b square minus 4ac is called the discriminant. Is called discriminant. B square minus 4ac is called the discriminant. Is called discriminant. When b square minus 4ac equals to 0 or less than 0, greater than 0, then on the basis of value discriminant means on the value of on depending the value of discriminant, we can say that the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation. Nature means this is a quadratic equation. Okay, it is written ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Here you have to solve and you can get the two values of x. That values are called the root of the quadratic equation. That values are called the root of the quadratic equation. Here, since its degree is 2, you can get the two values of x. The two values are root. The root may be, root means value of x, may be same with same sign, means equal, or real and equal, real and unequal, or imaginary. Here the three cases arise. The roots may be real and equal, real and unequal, and imaginary. Then, without solving, you have to say the roots are which type? Means real or equal, real and unequal, or imaginary. Then you have to find the value of discriminant. On the basis of discriminant, we can say that the roots are real or equal or not. Okay. The condition is number 1. If b square minus 4ac equals to 0, then the roots are real and equal. If b square minus 4ac greater than 0, then the roots are real and unequal. If b square minus 4ac less than 0, then the roots are imaginary. Imaginary. In your math book, there are 3 exercises. The first one exercise is by formula method. No need to do now. So, you have to start it from the second exercise. I am sure by formula method there will be another math. By discriminant another math and word problem another math. These 3 maths are coming every year from this chapter. But sometimes the discriminant math may not come. Such examples, this year there is no discriminant math, only the formula method math and word problem. But I think for you, discriminant math is important. Let's start. I will do one formula method and one discriminant. Exercise 5.3. Suppose I will do 9 2. 2x minus 1 by x equals to 7. Before solving this, at first you will see the given equation are in standard form or not. You have to know the given equation are in standard form or not. Here all of you see here the given equation this is not the standard form. The standard form is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. It is not the standard form. So at first you have to make it into standard form. Then LCM x, it will be 2x square minus 1 equals to 7, or 2x square minus 1 equals to 7x, or 2x square minus 7x minus 1 equals to 0. Now see, this is the standard form. Okay, after writing the standard form, you have to compare this equation with the general form of the quadratic equation. Therefore, you can write comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Then we can get a equals to 2, b equals to minus 7 and c equals to minus 1. All of you see, here a means coefficient of x square, that is 2. b means coefficient of x, that is minus 7. Some student will take as 7. This year also some student take, I take the coefficient. They taken as only 7. And not 7, it is coefficient means with sign. Coefficient means it is a number. There will be sign. It is positive or negative, it may be any number. So you have to take, since it is negative. The standard form is positive, that is standard form is plus, but it is minus. Then the coefficient of b will be minus 7 and c is minus 1. Now comparing a, b, c, you got. Now using formula, that is x equals to minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac. Otherwise at first you can find also discriminant. Then you will put the values of discriminant. Then you can get the result. Anyone you can do. If you find discriminant b equals to, then it will be b square minus 4ac. Just put the value of b means minus 7, then its square minus 4, a and c is minus 1. Then what will be there? What will be the value of discriminant? That is 49 minus plus 4 to the rate. It is equal to 57. Okay, this is the discriminant. Now the formula x equals to I told minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac means root under b. b is the discriminant by 2a. That is minus b means minus 7 minus 7 plus minus root under 57. 57 d means discriminant. You got na, d got by 2a. 2 into a. What is the value of a? 2. That is 7 plus minus root 57 by 4. Now you have to put the value of root 57. In root 57, square root of 57. You can do by division method. You have learned in class 8 and 9 also how to find the square root of 57. You know though, how to find the square root of 57? If you don't know, there will be provided a log table book. At the back of log table book, you can see the square root of 57. Then you can use the values of 57. But now I am doing square root of 57. Then you have to use this method. If you don't know how to use the log table, then you will write how to find. 7 7 are 49. Then 8, give the point. In place of point, you can get 2 zeros. Now the double of 7, 14. Then it will be 7. What will be there? 7 Yes. Then just a example count. 7500. Now 7.50. Then we put 0. 715. 150. On a constant contact. Here, what is here? Correct to 2 decimal place means you have to take up to 3 decimal. Since you have to correct 2 decimal, then you have to take the square root, that's 3 decimal. Okay. Again another one. 4 9 6 9 9 8 4 1. Then 0 8 equal to 10. 8 equal to 10. 14 16 equal to 8 equal to 10 equal to 15. Then it will be 1 or 9 final 9. Maybe I'm not sure, you will check. Okay. Then 7 plus minus 754 9 by 4. Then for class value 7 plus 7.549 by 4, that is 14 plus 549 by 4. Now 4 3 is 12, 13 14 2 5 4 3 is 24, 1 4 4 3 is 12, 2 9 4 7 is no more, only up to 3 decimal you will take. For minus 7 minus 7, that is minus, for taking the minus value, then it will come minus 0.549 by 4 and dividing minus 0.4104, 4 8, 4 7. Then you have to correct, means round off up to 2 decimal. 2 decimal means after decimal there will be 2 digits. Then it will be 3.64. Now see, since it is 7 means greater than 5, 1 will be added, and here 0.13. Okay, these are the correct answer. For correct answer it is 3 marks maths. 3 marks maths means at first you have to do up to this, you can get 1 mark. When you will put the value of root, you can get another mark. Now for these 2 correct, 2 both be correct, then you can get another 1 mark, means 3 marks. Okay. This is the solving of quadratic equation. In every year there will be 1 maths for average or core student. It is very useful and they can get easily the value of easily get the 3 marks. Okay. Next আছে ডিসক্রিমিনেন্ট দিয়ে কেমন ম্যাথগুলো থাকে। ডিসক্রিমিনেন্ট দিয়ে একটু ইজি ম্যাথ থাকে, ওই ডিসক্রিমিনেন্টের কন্ডিশনগুলো কাজে লাগালে হবে। ডিসক্রিমিনেন্টের কন্ডিশনগুলো হচ্ছে রিয়েল এন্ড ইকুয়াল, ওই কন্ডিশনটা বেশি লাগে, রিয়েল এন্ড ইকুয়াল। ওকে, আমরা চলে যাচ্ছি নেক্সট এক্সারসাইজে। एक्सरसाइज 5.4 एक्सरसाइज 5.4 ওখানে আসবো পেজ নম্বর 75। এই যে এখানে নেচার বলতে বলছে না, ফাইন্ড দ্য ডিসক্রিমিনেন্ট অফ দ্য ফলোইং কোয়াড্রেটিক ইকুয়েশন এন্ড ফাইন্ড দ্য নেচার অফ দ্য রুটস। ডিসক্রিমিনেন্ট বের করে নেচার বের করতে বলেছে। হ্যাঁ, আমি যদি এক্সারসাইজ 5.4 এর যে কোনো একটা ফার্স্টে দেখেন, তবে এরকম টাইপের গুলো থাকে না, যেটা থাকে না সেটা দেখার চেষ্টা করে। 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. At first you have to find the discriminant. So before finding the discriminant, at first you will write a equals to 2, b equals to minus 3 and c equals to 5. The discriminant d equals to b square minus 4ac. Now put the value of b means minus c square minus 4ac means c square means 9 minus 4 to the 8 5 is 40. Then minus it is 31. Now all of you see discriminant value less than 0. Therefore we can say that the roots are imaginary. The roots are imaginary. Hence you have to find the nature of the root. Nature of the roots means the roots are imaginary. No real root. বোর্ডে কিরকম আছে? বোর্ডে দেখ 4 এর দাগে 2010 এ এসছে 13 এ এসছে। আমি যদি 4 এর 2 একটা করি 4 এর 2 x square plus p minus 3x plus p equals to 0. Here given condition the roots of this equation are real and equal. Then find the value of p. It is given that the roots are real and equal. Roots are real and equal when the discriminant equals to 0 means b square minus 4ac equals to 0. Here at first you have to write here a equals to the coefficient of x square, that is no coefficient means it is 1, and b equals to p minus 3. কোএফিসিয়েন্ট অফ x অনেকে এখানে ভুলভাল করে আর x এর গায়ে যেটা থাকবে সেটাই পুরোটাই হচ্ছে কোএফিসিয়েন্ট অফ x। অনেক সময় x দুটো জায়গায় থাকে, একটাকে কমন নিয়ে তোকে দেখাতে হয়। and c equals to p. Since the roots are real and equal, since the roots are real and equal, therefore we can write b square minus 4ac equals to 0, and b means p minus 3a square minus 4ac equals to 0, or p square. Now a minus b whole square, p square minus 6p plus 9 minus 4p equals to 0, or p square minus 10p plus 9 equals to 0. Now it is middle term. It is middle term. Then p square minus 9p minus p plus 9 equals to 0. p into p minus 9 minus 1 p minus 9 equals to 0, and p minus 9 p minus 1 equals to 0. Then the values of p minus 9 equals to 0, p equals to 9, and p minus 1 equals to 0, p equals to 1. Therefore for p equals to 1 and p equals to 9 the roots of the given equation are real and equal. Sometimes two p's values cannot satisfy. You have to check either two values satisfied or not. মানে দুটো ভ্যালু দিয়ে স্যাটিসফাইড ইকুয়েশন না করতে পারে, যেটা দিয়ে না করতে হচ্ছে ইকুয়েশনটা স্যাটিসফাইড সেইটা কিন্তু হবে না। কিছু কিছু কেসে কেন আমি তোকে বলি দেখ তোদেরকে, এরকম কিছু কিছু আমরা ম্যাথস দেখেছিলাম। ধরো এরকম টাইপের আছে একটা, ধরো p মাইনাস 4 x স্কয়ার প্লাস 4p মাইনাস 7 ইকুয়াল টু 0। তুই হয়তো কোনো জায়গায় p এর ভ্যালুটা তুই 4 পেয়েছিস আর একটা পেয়েছিস ধরো 1, তখন দেখবি p এর ভ্যালুটা যদি 4 বসাস এটা কিন্তু স্যাটিসফাই করছে না, এটা তখন কোয়াড্রেটিক ইকুয়েশন হচ্ছে না। তার মানে p এর ভ্যালুটা তোকে 1 নিতে হবে। দুটো ভ্যালু লিখে দিলে তুই কিন্তু মার্কস পাবি না। কোন ভ্যালুটা হচ্ছে না, এখানে যেমন দুটো ভ্যালুই হবে। ওকে, তাহলে এরকম টাইপের ম্যাথস গুলো থাকে, ডিসক্রিমিনেন্ট দিয়ে এরকম টাইপের ম্যাথস গুলো থাকে মোটামুটি। ঠিক আছে, আর একটা এরকম টাইপের ম্যাথ করে কোশ্চেন নম্বর 2012 এসেছিল। x square plus 2 into m minus 1 x plus m plus 5 equals to 0 और এখানে দেখো অলরেডি সাজানোই আছে, ভালো করে দেখবি, অনেক সময় সাজানো থাকে না। therefore we can write here a equals to 1, b equals to, এবার b এই পুরোটাই x এর গায়ে যতটাই থাকে উইথ সাইন, অনেকে শুধুমাত্র যা তা নিয়ে নেয়, যা তা বলে। c equals to m plus 5, then the discriminants are b square minus 4ac equals to 0 since the given equation are have equal roots, that put the value to m minus 1 এর whole square minus 4 into 1 into m plus 5 equals to 0, or sorry, this is now 4 into m square minus 2m plus 1, দেখ 2a square মানে 4 আর এটা ভাঙিছি, minus 4m minus 20 equals to 0, और 4m square minus 8m plus 4 minus 4m minus 20 equals to 0, और 4m square minus 12m minus 16 equals to 0। तो 4 से छोटो करे दे, m square minus 3m minus 4 equals to 0। এবার এটাকে সেম টাইপের m minus m square minus 4m 4 1 4 4 minus 1 3 plus m minus 4 equals to 0, m minus 4 plus 1 m minus 4 equals to 0, और m minus 4 into m plus 1 equals to 0, m equals to 4 একটা আর m equals to minus 1 একটা। এর দুটো ভ্যালুতে কি সলভ স্যাটিসফাইড হচ্ছে? হ্যাঁ, কোনো অসুবিধা নেই। তাহলে m এর দুটো ভ্যালু থাকবে, ঠিক আছে। এরকম ব্যাচের এই প্রথম দুটো এক্সারসাইজ আছে, এই দুটো এক্সারসাইজ করবি। এরপরে নেক্সট যে ওয়ার্ড প্রবলেমটা আছে, প্রতি বছর একটা আছে, ওটা পরের দিন করাবো, ওটাও ইজি আছে। শুধু ওই ক্লাস 9 যেমন করেছিস না সামনেজনিয়াল লিনিয়ার ইকুয়েশন ওয়ার্ড প্রবলেম, সেরকম দেখে, ঠিক আছে। ওটা তখন পরের দিন করাবো, হোমওয়ার্কটা দিচ্ছি লিখে যাবে। homework exercise 5.3 থেকে লিখছি দুটো 5.3 8 2 and 10 2, okay। और 11 5.4 1 3 2 5 2 6 1 7 2 10, okay। No more today. Next